What is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, we're going to compare QuickBooks and FreshBooks, which really among the two is better. So let's dive into the video. QuickBooks or FreshBooks? Which one is right for you? Whether you're a solo freelancer or a growing business, choosing the right accounting software can save you time, money, and stress. Let's break it down. QuickBooks and FreshBooks are both top rated accounting tools, but they're designed with different users in mind. QuickBooks is robust, feature packed, and ideal for small to mid sized businesses. FreshBooks is simpler, more intuitive, and geared toward freelancers and service based professionals. QuickBooks gives you detailed financial reporting, inventory tracking, payroll add ons, and tons of integrations. It's like having a virtual CFO in your pocket. FreshBooks, on the other hand, shine with its user friendly design. It's perfect for sending invoices, tracking time, managing expenses, and chatting with clients, all with just a few clicks. When it comes to pricing, both offer tiered plans, but FreshBooks tend to be slightly more affordable at the entry level. However, QuickBooks offers more value as your business grows, if you can handle the learning curve. FreshBooks is simpler out of the box, but QuickBooks rewards you with more depth once you get comfortable. So, which one should you choose? If you're a freelancer, creative, or consultant who just needs to invoice and track time, FreshBooks might be your best bet. But if you're managing employees, inventory, or need advanced reporting, QuickBooks is likely worth the investment. Bottom line, choose the tool that fits your current workflow and the one that can grow with your business. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!